You want to switch your brush to this specific color. How do you do that? I'm going to show you right now. Hi everybody, welcome to another super quick tutorial. This time, I will show you how to sample, or pick, a color directly from an image. If you want to see more content like this, let me know by clicking the subscribe button and the bell, so that you never miss a new upload. Thanks! Let's get started. As mentioned, we have this image opened, and also created a new layer that we want to sketch on. Currently, our brush color is set to black as you can see here, and if I click and drag, it will draw a black line. That should be no surprise. But, we want to use a color from this specific place. With my brush selected, I'm going to hold down the Option, or Alt key. Notice that our brush cursor now changed to an eyedropper. Now, while still holding down my Alt key, I click the spot where our desired color is. Done. You can see here that the brush color changed. It is now blue. If I click and drag again, I'm leaving behind a blue line, just as intended. Let's quickly see how this can be applied in practice. The first example is this headline. Notice how it blends in with the clouds and makes it a little bit hard to read. We can fix that by sampling the color from the sky and drawing under the headline. Now this is way better. There is a clear definition of the letter against the background. Let's compare to see the difference. Great! For the second example, let's assume you don't like this specific cloud. I'm going to create a new layer, hold down my Option, or Alt key, and sample the color from right next to the cloud, and draw over it. Although there are tools that are specifically designed for this task, we will just keep it basic and use a brush. Good. Thanks for tuning in. If you'd like to learn more about Photoshop and design, you're in the right place. Check out my channel for more tutorials like this. Take care.